In this class we will know the coil command and the end of part function, used to create spiral profiles and end of part marks, respectively. We will learn to exchange the position of an operation already completed in the browser, for another position that best meets the need for the project. Let's start by creating a new part file in them. Next, let's look at how to use the coil command, which is found in the 3D Model tab, the Create panel, and is used to create profiles in spiral format and springs. But before we activate it, we need to profile the spiral. Keep up. We confirmed the sketch and activated the coil command. See that the profile for the spiral is already selected automatically. For the axis, we can select reference lines or axes and, in our case, select the y-axis in the origin folder. Observe the preview and see that we can reverse the direction of rotation. In the Coil Size tab, under Type we have several options for creating the spiral, and we will use Pitch and Revolution, where we inform the value of 15 mm for the step and 5 for the amount of turns. By entering a value in taper, we can create the spiral conical shape, but keep it to 0. We've confirmed the command and look at the spiral created. Test the other command creation options and specialize in creating springs and spirals in Inventor. Proceeding, let's get to know the function end of part, accessed in the icon at the end of the project tree. We can move the icon by clicking, holding the click and dragging the mouse, positioning this function before a feature already created, see. By doing this, we can insert one operation before another already created, for example, creating a sketch to be used in the next feature, among others. To better understand, in a new file we create a rectangle with dimensions of 100 by 60 mm. We make an extrusion of 40 mm. Now we will make a through hole in the face shown, follow up. Then we activate the command shell and we will turn this solid into a shell. We select the face shown, which will be removed, and inform the value of the thickness of the shell, that will be 2 mm. We confirm and see that the shell was generated, including in the hole, but this is not what we want. We will then position the drilling operation after the bark operation on the project tree by dragging with the mouse. See that we now get the desired result for the hole. We need to round the outer corners of the model, however, this rounding should be applied before the bark to ensure the same thickness on the walls. Then just move the end of part up the bark operation and apply the rounding. Once this is done, we move the end of part to the end of the tree and see that the template has been created correctly, without the need to erase or recreate operations. By right-clicking the mouse on the end of part and selecting the option Move Up to top, the function is positioned above all operations. Right-clicking now, we can delete all operations below the end of part by clicking on the Delete All Features Below EAP option. By clicking on Move EAP to End, we position the function at the end of the project tree. We finished this class, where we met the commands coil and shell, and the end of part function of the Inventor.